Today, we have Air Scrubber Plus. Only Air Scrubber's patent-pending, proven process creates active pure air, cleaning air that's sent out from your central air system to reduce mold and attack it in your whole home, even on surfaces like countertops and doorknobs. Our non-toxic process replicates the same way Mother Nature cleans the environment in your home. Air Scrubber Plus is university proven to remove up to 99.9% of mold, cigarette smoke, and disease-causing bacteria, so you protect your family even while you sleep. Get today's technology with Air Scrubber Plus so you can learn firsthand what today's technology does for your home.